Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that view this morning. Just beautiful. So, back to work. So I got this one taken care of this morning. All the paint's off of it. It's looking good. Didn't damage the chrome at all. And whatever they used for glue, I got to figure out something to get that off so that we can put proper gaskets on it, because that can cause a leak. Not stating it will, but it can. So we'll get that taken care of. But Bobby did all the videos on these yesterday as to how bad they were leaking. I mean, paint and everything, I don't know. I don't know how people do this to somebody's car and can sleep and live with themselves. I really don't. So I'll see if I can tap them down and get them back to the way they're supposed to be. And I'll try one. If I think it's going to damage them, we'll get a hold of the client and let them make the choice as to what we do. If it's find another chrome ones or whatever. So, but yeah, this kind of is a pain in the butt. I hate fixing other people's mistakes. Okay, well, that's enough of my rant. Have a good morning, guys, and we'll see you guys on the next one, and we'll keep you updated.
Good morning, Scotty.
Good morning.
What are we doing?
So, actually follow me. Roll this way.
Easier said than done. Sorry, guys. I'm just gonna stand up because we're giving a morning shot.
Aren't they pretty? They came out so nice. They look beautiful. My boss never told me I didn't need to do them because we're putting new ones on the car. Hint, hint. But they still came out beautiful. It's a shame they can't go back on the car because they are pretty damaged. So we're gonna put new ones on. The owner's gonna be really, really happy. But
Yeah, I think he picked some out last night.
cool, good.
Yeah,
Good.
Bobby gave me a ride to the other side of the valley.
Oh, okay.
And he goes, here I found some.
Well, William takes a really good care of his car, so.
We love this car.
And then, getting back to the e-brake.
Go back to my broken stool.
Get back on that broken stool, boy.
Right?
So, I made some. Where the hell is my brake? Works.
Okay.
There we go. Okay, so I need to go.
I
over
found
here.
it.
There we go. Okay, so we readjusted this side, so we'll have enough tension on the line. The other line's out. So the holder that was supposed to hold everything gave out. It is what it is. It happened. So I've got new holders to hold this inside the frame like it's supposed to be. I'm gonna do a new holder on that side, but I'm gonna trim some of the black off because it's not giving us enough tension on the line to hold it steady. So I'll put a new holder on this side because both of them gave out completely. I'll take off from here to here so that we're on cable like many cars do, and then resheath it. I'll cut the tip clean like I did on this one. We'll retighten it, and that should solve all the problem and give him an amazing brake pedal like he should have had.
Yeah.
Which I know it was good when he first got it, but it just happens. I mean, some things just give out. I mean, look at the hydraulic hoses we just did on the 63 Falcon. 3 sets of hoses in one day, and they were all bad quality hoses. The holders just broke. It happens. There's nobody to blame. It's one of those that it is what it is. But that being said, we'll get this all taken care of. I've got one side already done. I'll get this side taken care of. Give me a few more minutes, and then we'll do a test fit for the brake, and it should be fine. I mean, there shouldn't be any issues.
Should be great.
We should be golden, baby. Okay, but
Anyways.
I want to get back to work. Let's get this done. Let's get this out of here. We got cars to fix, customers to keep happy,
Or at least the best we possibly can.
And Timmy Hose to drink later in the afternoon.
I thought it was going to be screwdrivers.
Well, Timmy Hose comes first.
Okay.
And the owner of this car, yes, Tim Horton Coffee. There's nothing better.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's
But
right.
on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
All right, guys. Well, Scotty's been playing with the e-brake stuff. The gentleman asked if we could check the collector bolts, and they're double nutted. And I already taken this side apart, and the bolts were not super loose, but they were loose. So got those nice and snug back down, put the double nut back on. And I'm not going to video it because it's kind of hard to video and loosen double nuts. But I'm about to do the other side. I'm guessing probably about the same, probably looseness. So we'll get that all nice and snug. The gentleman will be super happy. And as soon as Scotty's done, we're just going to put the old valve covers correct back on. And for now,
we're going to just set them on so we can roll through the car.
And-
We're not going to fire it up.
yeah, that way everything's covered.
I do have little ones he wants. He sent me them over. I'm going to get a hold of Alan here and see if he has any in stock.
Okay.
If not, we might have some other options.
Okay, cool. So,
We
yeah.
got all kinds of irons in the fire, baby.
Yeah, we're just putting out little fires here and there. And then, yeah. All right, well, next video you probably, or clip you'll see is Scotty and I finishing up the e-brake.
Yep.
All right, cool. Later. Guys, well, with lots of fighting and arguing, we got this all nice and tight. Good to go. Routed back where it was at. And decided to readjust. If you can kind of see in there, there's a little thing in there you can adjust. So now it actually e-brakes. I'm gonna adjust this side a little bit more, and basically we are done with this. Yay me. All right, guys. Later.